Hey, it's Dan with SupplyHouse.com, and in this video we're going to talk about the Siemens SFA71U electronic valve actuator. Used in heating and cooling HVAC systems, the SFA71U works with Siemens 599 series zone valves. The 24-volt SF series actuator is a two-position, normally closed electronic valve actuator that operates between 41 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a 10-second runtime, a power consumption of 9.8 VA, and requires a 24, 120, 208, or 277 volt AC Class II supply signal to control zone valves with a 1/10 inch stroke. It features direct coupled installation without tools, manual override, visual position indication, and spring return fail-safe operation. This zone valve actuator is 3.5 inches tall by 4.5 inches wide by 2.25 deep, weighs 1.18 pounds, and is UL listed for plenum installations. For more information, visit the resources at SupplyHouse.com or email us with any questions.